In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how you can use the Scotia Mobile App. I'll be covering some of the core features such as adding a recipient, paying a bill, and making a money transfer. So with that said, let's get right into it. How you can make a transfer to another bank using the Scotia Mobile App. The first thing you need to do is add a recipient. So to achieve this, you need to select Move Money. Then select Add New Recipient. Select the account type, whether it be personal or business. Select the recipient bank from the drop down. So I'm going to select Other Bank. Then select Done. Search for the recipient bank. Ensure you select the correct branch. Then scroll down and select Continue. Select an account type. I'm going to select Savings. Then select Done. Enter the account number that you would like to add. Then select Done and select Continue. Enter the recipient's first and last name. Then select Continue. Review the recipient information and then select Submit. The recipient has been added successfully. Now that the recipient has been added, you can select Make a Transfer. Select the account that you want to make the transfer from. This is the person that you want to make the transfer to. If you want to change it, you can click the little arrow for the drop down. Select a transfer type. So the transfer type can be ACH or RTGS. RTGS is same day, typically within an hour, and ACH is next day. Now ACH is typically cheaper than RTGS. So enter the amount that you want to send, enter a message, then agree to the terms and condition and slide to transfer. And that's basically it. Once you're in the app, select Move Money. Then select Manage Recipients. Scroll down and select the recipient that you want to remove. Scroll down and then select Delete Recipient. Select Delete to confirm the deletion. The recipient has been successfully deleted. So to get started, select Move Money. Scroll down to where it says Manage Pays and Numbers. Select Bill Pays. Then select Add New Payee. Here you're going to search for the payee name, for example, JPS. So here you're going to select JPS Go. Once you enter the account number, enter a nickname for the payee. Then select Add Payee. So there's no hyphen within the account number, right? So from this section, you can select the bill payee, right? And then select Make a Payment. Select the account that you want to pay from. Enter the amount that you would like to pay. And then you simply select Slide to Pay, and that's basically it. So first, select the account that you want to generate the statement for. Then select See Account Details. Then select View Statements. Select the month that you want to generate the statement for. To save this statement, simply select Share. And it will give you a list of options of how you want to go about saving this statement. So if you wanted to save it to your files, you simply select Save it to your files, or even send it via WhatsApp. Select Move Money. Scroll down to Manage Pays and Numbers. Select Bill Pays. Select the bill pay that you want to delete, and then select Delete. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So to get started, select Move Money. Select Mobile Top-Ups. Select Manage Pays and Numbers. Select Mobile Top-Up Numbers. Select Add New Number. From the drop down, select the provider, whether it be Digicel or Flow. Enter the phone number that you would like to top up. And enter a nickname for the recipient. Then select Add Number. So now you need to go back and select Mobile Top-Ups. Search for the number that you want to top up now. Select the number. Select the account that you want to pay from. Enter the amount that you would like to top up. So the tax is going to be $25. So the total amount that you will pay is $125. Now to complete this top up, you will simply select Slide to top up, or you could schedule this top up. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.